This is section 10.2a, part 4. We're graphing parabolas of the form ax squared plus bx plus c. Our values of a on this are 2, 6, and negative 3. Our axis of symmetry is the opposite of b over 2a. So our values is the opposite of 6 over 2 times 2. That value is negative 6 over 4, which means x equals negative 1.5. We graph that on our axis right in the middle of negative 1 and negative 2. Now we look at our vertex, negative 1.5, comma blank. We're going to put the values of negative 1.5 into our equation and subtract 3 at the end. Well, that's 2 times negative 2.25 plus negative 9 minus 3. That's negative 4.5 minus 9 minus 3. Well, that value, as we look at it, is negative 12, negative 16.5. So we're going to go down to negative 16.5, which is somewhere down here. Now that does seem a long way down, so let's go back and take a look and make sure we've made any mistakes. Is it really negative 1.5? Well, it was negative 6 over 2a, and so that's correct. Negative 6 over 4 is negative 1.5. We squared that and got negative 2.25. Did you pick up the error? It should have been a positive, which makes that a positive as well. So instead of having negative 16.5, which seemed like it was a long way down there, it's 12 minus 4.5, and so that's really negative 7.5. So that's a little bit more realistic as we look at our problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and a half. It still is quite a ways down there, but it's not that far down. Now we're going to find our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is the point, once again, 0c. So that's the point 0, negative 3. So we plot that on our graph. We're going to reflect that 1.5 units past the other way, and then find a fourth and fifth point by choosing a value. I'm going to choose the value 1 because it seems like it would be an easy choice to make when we plug into our equation. So as I slide down here to the bottom and I choose the value 1, I have 1 squared plus 6 times 1 minus 3. So that value is positive 5. So I have the value 1, comma 5. So as I look up here, I'm going to plot that point, 1, comma 5, reflect it across, and now you see I have my 5 points on my parabola. It is going up because the a squared is positive, and you also see it's very skinny because the a squared is a 2. Remember, if it's a positive a squared, it goes up, and a negative a squared, it goes down.